Diba? Mga sisi ko. Ang sweet ng asawa ko. At sundo ako ng asawa ko. Ayan na siya mga sisi ko. Mga sisi ko. Kaya masaya ako. Sana all.
След 200 метров връщай дясно.
Sakit sa bulsa? Ang sakit sa bulsa, mahal ko.
Huh?
Ang sakit sa bulsa.
No idea what you're saying. What are you saying?
The fries.
Връщай дясно.
The price is the price.
Okay. Dahil may bagong phone ako, mag-unboxing tayo. They check something.
Yeah, I don't know what they checked. I hope they didn't stole the phone. I watched they put the phone back, but not swap it, I hope.
Where did you go?
In Technopolis, Nadezhda.
Wow, it's far away.
Oh my god, in the morning I lost myself 3 times. I spent 40 minutes to
Oh,
return.
I'm sorry. Did you bring your laptop?
Right now, yeah, but I do not use it.
Why?
I don't have time, I rush. Is it good?
We'll see how it goes.
Just cut it. You want to cut it?
Yeah.
Where? It's cut, Michael. It's
Wait,
good.
it's hard. They take it. Oh, the black one.
Ah, they have only black, I'm sorry. But you like that color, right?
Yeah, it's universal. It's clean.
They
Oh, we
didn't-
have charger. I thought no charger.
No, they don't have charger. You're wrong.
What's this?
I don't know.
Cord.
It's a cord for transfer data and charging too, but it's not real adapter. No adapter. They give you case.
Yeah, it's nice.
I mean, they didn't open it. I saw them. They didn't open it, but
Yeah, they're not opening it. Mahal ko.
tama.
Ang sarap.
Me too.
English. I need English.
English?
So I need to set the region of my
Oh, you
phone.
need to set everything. Yeah.
SIM, mga sisi ko, yung phone ko, nag-stop. My phone stop, automatic. It say no,
Did you
no
message
more
me?
memory. Yes, I messaged you long
Somebody
time
messaged
ago.
me.
Yes, long time ago.
What did you say?
I said, alright, take your time. I'm waiting for you.
Okay, boss.
So, yun na nga mga sisi ko. Nag-unboxing tayo. 52%. I hope hindi ako magsisi sa napili ko. I hope I'm satisfied. No regret. Mahal ko 64.
It's not mine. Mine is 40.
Okay. Oh my gosh, and so beautiful.
The camera is good.
Mahal ko. It's 3D. It's super clear.
See? Oh my god, the camera is strong, yeah.
Yeah, my gosh.
And the selfie camera is 32 megapixels. It's better than that.
Напред е докладвана полиция.
here. Let's see the video. Wow, it's also ano mahal ko, clear. So let's see, it's what it say? It say I need to. It say could not use, require permission. Tap next and clear all data for this app. Then open the app again. Clear data. Clear data.
I have no idea, my God. Don't
Clear
just don't tell
data.
me you don't have storage.
And okay. And open again. Could not require permission. Tap next and clear data for this app. Then open the app again. Let's see. Clear data.
Oh, this almost hit very heavy. How is my turn? Is it too harsh? Is my turn too harsh, Malco?
No, it's good.
Okay, that's what I want to know. In my dear.
also have dual picture.
You think I can stop here?
Yeah, you can.
Sure.
Sumagalaw ba? Sumagalaw ba? Oh my gosh! It's so good!
Mhm. I can still take this, keep it. This is your guarantee. This is trash that you can throw it.
Malco, smile.
Don't forget your phone here. Okay.
So yun ang mga sisi ko, nasa bahay na kami. Tapos ginalimutan na yung lumang phone no, kasi may bago na. Ganyan tayo eh. Kapag may bago na, kinakalimutan na yung luma eh. Kailangan ko siyang pag-aralan.